It's Joe Marcoux with Easy Motion Electric Bikes by BH. We're here in beautiful Laguna Seca Raceway, and it is Sea Otter 2018. We're really excited at BH to introduce to you the latest and greatest full suspension mountain bikes. And you want to talk about innovation. This is why Sea Otter is so cool. The new BH Atom X. Now, this is not going to be branded as an Easy Motion product. This is going to be a BH electric bike product. So you're going to see BH electric bikes, specifically the Atom X, and it's very unique. The one thing that you're going to notice as far as design is concerned is the way the down tube is set up going into the motor. We've actually got a Broza S motor, higher torque, rotated by 30 degrees, and we've got this down tube battery that's a 700 watt hour battery. So one of the big things in the mountain bike world is, well, how much range am I going to get? You're going to get a significant amount of range out of this battery out in the field, and that's what's fun. It's fully loaded. This is a 6-inch of travel Atom X. This is the Atom X Lynx 6 with split pivot technology. And you're going to see other quality bike brands that have split pivot, which essentially helps you keep that squat to a minimal level, and then you're still going to have Fox front and rear suspension. And the benefit of split pivot is that this suspension shock is doing one thing. That's getting rid of the bumps. It's not doing the other work about taking away the braking forces and acceleration forces. The other thing you're going to notice about where the motor is set is that the motor is a lot higher than your typical e-mountain bike, which of course gives you better ground clearance. So you're not going to get those pedal strikes. One of the things that we're going to recommend for people is to go check out your local BH Easy Motion dealer. These bikes are going to start hitting the floor in June of 2018. Go check them out. So they're going to be available in a 6-inch of travel, 5-inch of travel, and a hardtail. So at around $49.99, $55.99, and then the Atom X Lynx 6, which is really, the pre-orders on this is tremendous at $57.99. Now the next bikes that we have are the Rebel bikes, which are our Yamaha bikes. So you're going to see the hardtail 29er, our cross bike, our hardtail 27.5, but at the front of the booth, we're getting into the Rebel 5.5. This is with the PWX versus the PW. So the benefit of the PWX is you're getting more torque. It's a pound-and-a-half lighter, and again, your Q factor is a lot narrower. So this is going to have a true bike feel. We have people today, for example, saying, I'm curious about a full suspension mountain bike. What should I get into? And I point the way, it's like if you want price point and you're that beginner to intermediate rider, then I'll lean them over to this one, which is a Lynx 5.5, again, still with split pivot. And you're going to get the moderate to intermediate specs with Shimano Dior, SR Suntour, Radon, front suspension. It's solid. It's a very good bike at $3,795. But if you want to get more to the performance, in our Northwest rep, Scott Sisto, is going to be racing on this bike today, and this is the Rebel Lynx 27.5 plus PWX. So now you got a 1x11. Look at this granny gear. It's like a dinner plate. It's fantastic. So when you're needing to have power on the climb and you still want to get a solid pedal stroke, this is the one to go with. This comes with the KS dropper post. Great value at $49.99, and as with all Easy Motion or BH electric bikes, you've got the unprecedented lifetime warranty on the frame, 5 years on all your parts, and 2-year battery warranty, including a 1-year labor warranty. And Pete, one of the things I want to finish off with is some of the history of our brand. BH has been around since 1909. They've been building bikes. They've got a great heritage, a great history of bikes. You can take a look at the G7. This is a Tour de France bike, okay? If you look over to the back, you'll see the Rebel, the BH gravel bike. And I'm going to finish off that the geometry of our Rebel Yamaha PW motor 400 watt hour battery gravel X bike is the exact same geometry as what you'll find on a BH analog bike. So whether you're riding analog or digital, BH has got the bike for you. And on this particular bike, as far as a all-arounder road meets gravel with drop bar Shimano 105s for $3,300. Quite honestly, it's impossible to beat with this kind of spec. So go visit your local BH Easy Motion retailer. Give one of our bikes a try. You will be absolutely astounded. And this is Joe Marcoux at Sea Otter 2018, wishing you farewell. See you soon.